The first speaker said, "Fear fire, fear furnaces, incinerators, the city dump, the faint scratch of a match." The second speaker said, "Fear water, fear drenching rain, drizzle, oceans, puddles, a damp day, and the flush toilet." The third speaker said, "Fear wind, and it needn't be a hurricane. Drafts, open windows, electric fans." The fourth speaker said, "Fear knives, fear any sharp thing, machine, shears, scissors, lawn mowers." The fifth speaker said, "Hope, hope for the best, a smooth folder in a steel file."